Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, I am in my closet and I'm looking around. I need to clean and purge a lot in here. I am going to concentrate on the vanity portion of my closet. It has a lot of products on it. And I'm not even showing the floor. I have bags of products on the floor that I need to go through and purge. And of course, all of these items will not fit on this small vanity. So a company reached out to me by the name of Sikaic, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. They sent me a beautiful vanity that I can sit at, which is absolutely gorgeous. This makeup vanity is in a modern style in white and gold. It does come in black and gold as well, and has several amazing features. This is how it comes packaged. Everything you need is in the box other than your tools, and you need minimal tools to put this or to assemble this makeup vanity. All of your hardware, brackets, everything you need is in the box. Now, as Hubby and I unbox all of the parts, let me tell you a little bit about this company. Now, Sikaic is an online company that offers stylish, functional furniture to help you create a home that is filled with joy and personality. They offer a wide range of furniture from home furniture, home office, LED furniture, gaming desk, and more. They offer room ideas from modern, luxurious, farmhouse, bohemian, industrial, and mid-century style. This company was born from a simple yet powerful idea to redefine how people perceive and experience their living spaces. They recognize the importance of the home environment in shaping daily life and want to make a difference by improving it. They have a passion for creating a home that not only is beautiful, but it is also comfortable and functional. Their founders envisioned a world where everyone had access to high quality, stylish furniture without breaking the bank. Their vision became their mission. So at Sikaic, which is an international platform where customers around the world can easily find affordable, top-notch housewares that make living at home easy, enjoyable, and stylish. Now, right now, as you can see, I am teasing my husband because if you've been following me, you know I've been on him about magnetic tools, and I actually bought him a set for Christmas, and he just opened the pack. So I'm like, yay, he's finally using these items that I purchased for him. And it's going to make life so much easier when we assemble furniture and different items around the home. As you can see, the item comes in several pieces, but the instructions are easy to follow, and I love to tell you how long it takes us to assemble furniture. It took us approximately 4 hours to assemble this vanity. Right now I'm going to share some clips of us assembling this makeup vanity. Look at how stunning this bracket or legs are on this makeup vanity in gold. Check out the top of this vanity. It has glass. Love it. Now, with me being able to see through this glass, this will make me keep the drawers very neat as well as organized. This vanity has lots of storage. And check out this beautiful hardware. This handle, or the handles on this makeup vanity, comes in gold. Now hubby is working on the hutch portion of this makeup vanity. We are almost at the finish line, and I'm loving it so far. Now, the best feature to me of this makeup vanity is this LED mirror. The drawers on this makeup vanity are well made, and what I love about them, they come with the dividers, making organizing that much easier. Last drawer, and we are done. We're going to put it in place and share this vanity with you. Isn't she gorgeous? This vanity has one large drawer, two small drawers, and two cabinets. It allows you to store your jewelry and makeup. The open shelves and hidden shelves provide plenty of storage space to display cosmetics, perfumes, nail polish, and more. It lets you have a neat and tidy desktop. And look at this feature. It has a charging and plug-in station. And did you see the stool? It even comes with a stool. The LED mirror has 3 lighting modes: warm yellow, warm white, and cold white light colors. Touch the switch to change the color mode to adjust the brightness. And inside the mirror, more storage. Love it! Special thanks to Sikaic for the opportunity to share this beautiful makeup vanity with you. I will have their information as well as a coupon code listed in my description box below, just in case you are interested in purchasing this amazing item. And I would also like to thank my hubby for always being there supporting me and helping me out in any way that I need him to. So as I share the beauty of this furniture piece, I'm getting ready to stock her with all of my makeup, hair, and nails supplies, okay? And then I'll share with you how it looks. Stay tuned. Last thing I need to do is remove the film on the mirror, and I am set. I am looking forward to sitting here every morning preparing for the day. And here is my makeup vanity, all stocked with all of my supplies that I had in my closet. I'm loving having everything in one unit, not scattered all over the place. And I'm really loving all of this storage. As I have stated in previous videos, one of the things that I am focusing on in 2024 is organization and storage in my home. And I can check this one off my to-do list. Loving this charging station. I have plugs where I can plug in my flat iron or my curling iron. I can charge my phone. I can plug my phone in as I'm getting dressed and listen to music. This is an amazing feature on this vanity. Well, that's all I have for you in today's video. Stay tuned because I'm going to take you along in my home where I am organizing, concentrating on storage. I'm also in the process of purging. I'm purging things that no longer serves me, that can be of use to someone else, and let them get joy out of it. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click it so you'll be notified of all uploads here on A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much. And I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing, blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.